That's some big ass plane.
Where are we heading?
I don't know, I think China? How long was the flight? Well, we already had a 6.5 hour flight from Brussels to Dubai.
And I got an upgrade.
Yes, so we're in Dubai now. And now we're going from Dubai to Beijing, and that's 8 hours or 8.5. So yeah, pretty tired.
On the Jordan with me.
We landed in China with 36 degrees, so it's really, really hot in here. So everything will be Chinese from now on. Wow. We think we have 501, but maybe it's a 7. So we're gonna try Eve. Put down in the key. Yes.
Bingo. Okay.
It's not a shower. It's like a multi-wellness thing. Wow.
Holy shit.
This is fancy. Can get used to that. We are ready to discover Beijing. Today we are going to visit like the Forbidden City and all the surrounding temples. I don't know what that area is called, but we're gonna see lots of Chinese temples. So it's gonna be a culture day. And everybody is looking at me like, she's blonde, what is she doing here? I have no idea who that man is on the photo, but I'm really happy to be here. Although it's like 38 degrees and really the air is really thick. Not a lot of oxygen here in China. If you want to visit the Forbidden City, it's a really touristy place. It's like a massive place all with Chinese people. I think we saw 2 other people from like, no, not Chinese people. So it's really, really busy. It's really warm, there's not a lot of oxygen in the air, so it's really hard to breathe here. It's like really hot, we're sweating, I'm thirsty, I'm hungry. All these Chinese people are so busy and there's like a mass of Chinese people here, and it's not fun now. It's not. It's not that I can read it or anything. The essentials for China. Beihai Park, a really typical Chinese park with all these nice Chinese boats and Chinese gates, like on this side.
I'm not
Really
a gate.
nice. No, not you. So it's really nice. Typical Chinese park. It was only, I think, €4 to come in. Was it €4? So yeah, definitely worth seeing here. Why are they running? I mean, why are they running? It is fucking 38 degrees. What? Why are they running? God. Okay, so we are trying to find a taxi and there are like loads of them coming our way, but they're all full, so I hope that we can find a taxi. Finally we found one. Yes, 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 yes. False alarm, no taxi for the globe watchers. Yay, we found a Chinese taxi.